How to get more views on Reels. Do you want to know how to get more views on Instagram Reels? With Instagram as the 5th most downloaded app in the world, knowing how to promote your Reels makes your audience pay more attention to your brand. In this post, we'll share about tried and tested tips to help your Instagram Reels get more viewers. Why should you get more views on Reels? There are tons of reasons why you need to take advantage of Instagram's Reels feature. For one, marketing your business using Instagram Reels boosts your followers and encourages your target audience to discover more of your content. After all, 9 out of 10 users watch Instagram videos on the platform every week. Here's a list of benefits you get when you successfully increase your views on your Instagram Reels. More future followers. Viral Reels can get featured on the Explore page, which is where 50% of Instagram users go to discover new content monthly. More engagement. Instagram Reels get 67% more engagement than standard Instagram videos. Posting more Reels increases your chance of getting more likes and comments compared to posting pictures only. More brand trust. The more people watch your videos, the more likely they are to engage with it. Higher engagement is a type of social proof that signals to your followers that your business is authentic and trustworthy. Simply put, Instagram Reels are powerful in gaining brand awareness, engaging with your target audience, and eventually growing your business online. Top tips to increase views on Instagram Reels. By now, you've already learned how Instagram Reels can help your brand. But how can you create trending Instagram Reels for your business? The proven tips below will show you how to skyrocket your Instagram Reels fast. 1. Create valuable content for your audience. What's the difference between using Instagram for your brand and using it for personal enjoyment? It's the kind of content you create and post on your Instagram profile. While your personal account can be a mix of everything that you want to upload, your Instagram business profile is geared more towards marketing to your followers. To get more views on your Instagram Reels, they need to be educational, just like Neil Patel's Reels that focus on SEO tips for online marketers, so they consistently get tens of thousands of views per reel. But valuable content isn't just limited to informational. Do your followers prefer funny content? To get more viewers for your videos, you can make your Reels entertaining as well, just like Hannah Marie Hines' videos on being a relatable millennial. 2. Use popular audio tracks in your Reels. Here's a secret hack that Instagram experts do to increase the number of Reel viewers. Go to the Explore section of Instagram and click on the Reels area. Because of Instagram's advanced algorithm, you'll see relevant Reels based on your activity. And the best part? These Reels will all have high numbers of views already because Instagram's featuring them. Don't just watch the Reels though. Use them as inspiration by finding out the audio used in these Reels. To find the audio used in an Instagram Reel, click on the audio thumbnail at the lower right side of the Reel. Clicking on the audio takes you to its dedicated page, where you can see how many views the original video of the audio has. On this page, you can also save the audio or use it to film your Reel directly. A quick rule of thumb to consider. To increase the chances of your Instagram Reel being viral, make sure the original video of the audio has at least 1 million views. This way, you're sure that Instagram already knows that this audio is engaging and preferred by their users. After all, they featured it, and it's been watched more than 1 million times already. Want more video hacks? Check on this nifty guide on how to make popular Instagram videos. 3. Create Reels under 10 seconds. Did you know that the average attention span is up to 8 seconds only? This means that people will be less likely to watch your Instagram Reels if they're longer than 8 to 10 seconds. They may be too busy scrolling to the next reel if you couldn't get their attention in the first few seconds. Sure, you can engage them from the start by telling an intriguing story, sharing an interesting fact, or stimulating their curiosity. But what if they don't finish watching the whole Instagram video? You can easily solve this issue by keeping your Instagram Reels under 10 seconds. As long as you've added an engaging hook at the beginning of your short reel, your viewers are more likely to watch your video completely since it's just less than 10 seconds. Let's take this Instagram Reel from Cinnabon as an example. It has an interesting hook because it's relatable, plus it got over 800,000 views, because it's just under 10 seconds. Creating engaging and short Instagram Reels is a surefire way to boost your videos' views and watch time. You can learn more about how to increase watch hours on social media videos in this guide. 4. Embed Instagram video feeds on your website. If you want a quick and easy way to promote your Instagram Reels to your site visitors, you can display your Instagram videos feed on WordPress to get more views. Do you usually create Reels of your products? To get more views on Reels, add your Instagram videos feed to your products page in your website. This way, your visitors can view your Reels right on your site, even if they're not your followers yet. Adding an Instagram video feed to your site is easy. With Instagram Feed Pro, you can create, customize, and embed beautiful Instagram Reels feed on WordPress in 5 minutes. Instagram Feed Pro is easy to use and requires zero coding to set up. It works right out of the box, so you can quickly display Instagram video feeds that automatically match your site's theme. Want to customize your feed's design? You can use the Plugins Visual Feed Customizer to change your video feed's layout, color scheme, header style, and more, with just a few clicks. No need to hire a developer or designer. 5. Add relevant hashtags. Another excellent way to increase views on your Reels is to use relevant hashtags. By adding targeted hashtags to your Reel, you increase the chances of more users watching your Instagram video. Travelgram account at Our Desk received 456,000 plus views on their Instagram Reel by adding niche-specific hashtags to their video. Make sure to add a maximum of 10 hashtags only. Anything more than this can be considered as spam by Instagram's algorithm. Then you can add an Instagram feed of Reels using your branded hashtag to your website to promote them to your site visitors and get more views. Here's an example of an Instagram hashtag feed we created with Instagram Feed Pro in just a few minutes. 6. Post when your followers are most active. A simple strategy to get more views and engagement for your Instagram Reels is to post at the right time, when your followers are most active. Generally speaking, the best times to post on Instagram are Wednesday at 11 a.m. and Friday at 10 to 11 a.m. And if you have an Instagram business account, you can see when your followers are most active using the app's Insights feature. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.